Hi everybody. As promised, we are going to get started on our first research project in here. So what I want you to do first, I want you to make a prediction. You chose your country. What is one fact that you believe to be true about the country you chose to research? This could be anything. It could be geographic, it could be cultural, it could be about their economy, it could be about their government. What is one fact that you believe to be true about the country that you are researching? Answer that for me now. Our objective today, we are going to research and identify key components regarding the geography for the country of your choice as it pertains to business and economy. So today's focus is that geographical factor that we listed in our text. The purpose, number one, to help you complete your project. Number two, to help you see how important it is to understand our other countries as well as our own prior to doing business with them. We need to fully understand the relationships between the two before we get involved with that. So today we are going to look at geographical factors. All right. I want you to use the internet to find credible online sources about your chosen country's geographical factors. You do need to cite your sources in this. I want you to find where the country is located. Tell me what continent it's a part of, where it is located in terms of, is it a colder continent, is it a colder country, is it along the equator? Let me know where it's located, okay? What's the climate like? This may vary throughout the year. In Indiana, we have a varied climate. We go through the seasons. Now in southern United States, they have more of a warmer climate all year round. In Alaska, it's cold, a lot. So again, this may vary and you need to be specific in, if it's a larger country, you need to be specific in that varying climate, okay? What types of terrain do they have? What does their landscape look like? Again, in Indiana, it's not very, we don't have mountain ranges. We have hills, we don't have mountains. If you go to Colorado, they have mountains. Down south in Tennessee and Kentucky and Virginia, Appalachian Mountains. So again, make sure you are being specific with the terrain, right? What kind of waterways does your country have? What seaports, what rivers, what ocean access do they have? How are they getting their imports and exports to and from their country? All right, waterway plays a big deal in it. You may not think it does now, but it has the whole time we've been trading in the history of mankind, okay? And then what are their natural resources? This list could be long, and that is okay. I want you to find as many natural resources that they're top of their game for as possible. This is a little clip from the text. The location, climate, terrain, seaports, and natural resources of a country influence business activity. Very hot weather will limit the types of crops that can be grown. A nation with many rivers or seaports can easily ship products for foreign trade. Countries with few natural resources must depend on imports. Again, all of these play a role in how well a country can do in the importing, exporting, and global economy. Okay? Things to know if you're going to do business with them. All right? So we're going to research for a good chunk of today. Now, after you've got all your research done, I want you to start your presentation. Okay? Number one thing you are going to do is create your title slide. On your title slide, you need your name and your country's name. Then I want you to have a picture of the flag of your country. And then I want you to add at least 2 additional pictures, maybe that you found in your research, that you think kind of show off the country that you chose. And then your second slide of the day is going to be your geographical factor slides. This should be more than 1 additional slide. So this could be slides 2 through 5. All right. And you need to include as much detail as you can regarding the geographical factors of this country. Again, think of that list I just gave you of geographical factors. Include pictures, include animation. I want you to include transitions between the slides. And in the speaker's notes, I want you to add additional information that you would talk about when you're giving the presentation, and add your works cited in those notes as well. All right, you don't need a works cited page at the end of your presentation. I want you to include those works cited in the speaker's notes at the bottom of your slide. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. Today is about research and about getting those first 2 slides, the first slide being your title slide, and then the next slides being your geographical slides finished. Okay, if you need me, let me know. If not, I hope you have a wonderful day.